Yo YouTube, what's up? This Bronas here with an unboxing Megabloks Halo. Oh, the UNSC Combat Orange Unit and the Covenant Combat, Combat Combat Unit. The Covenant comes with 2 grunts, 1 combat, 1 active camo. Oh, a combat jump pack brute and a combat brute. Oh. Wow, this comes with an orange Spartan, an orange EOD, an orange Scout, and active camo CQB. So let's unbox these suckers. This could be a part 2 video. Oh, I'm gonna unbox this one and then I'll box the next one in the next video. So be prepared for 2 videos. Yeah. I don't care if I damage the box. Oh, there's the pieces to build the thing. And there's the instructions. And here's the figures. Oh, it comes with a UNSC symbol. There's a rocket launcher, SMG, shotgun, and active camo shotgun. So let's get the symbol out. Da-da-da! Let's get the rocket launcher out. Da-da-da! SMG. Da-da! Shotgun. Da-da-da! And the active camo shotgun. Da-da! Now let's get the figures out. Got the Spartan. Just gonna hold the SMG. Because he sucks. And weapon stuff. Get the EOD out. Oh crap, his leg fell off. He's gonna hold the rocket launcher. Oh, it looks like it's supposed to go on his back or something. How you put on? I put it like this? Or yeah, how do I put this on? No, I'll figure it out in the next video. Scout out. Oh, whoops, I twist his neck. Oh, great, his arm fell off. Anyways, I got the orange Scout. He's gonna hold the shotgun. Because you know he's cool like that. The active camo CQB is gonna hold his shotgun. Now let's build their set. I'm not going to show you guys the instructions. And so, take 5 of these. 2 of these. Oh, I was just going to build the whole thing. Okay. Okay. So put this right here. Like that. And I put this there. This there. Then I put this in the middle. Then I put on the symbol. This won't go on. How's it supposed to go on? Oh, there we go. Okay, I got their sets. I'm just gonna stand them on randomly. It could.